This is the last trip, but let's not be sad. Let's enjoy the last ride to the Puffing Billy.
Eilish.
So here's a sign. That's good. Puffing Billy this way. Yay! So guys, train is here. We are in section C. Of course, need to be early, right, to push people away and to get our seat first. So we start there in Belgrade, right? And then all the way until Lakeside. So,
Yeah.
almost ready to go. It's full. They're just pressing more and more people in.
Bit bumpy, so just make it all real tight.
Oh, there was a whistle. Look at this, guys. Let's have a look at the chicken schnitzel. Oh, they cut in half.
It means one you.
One me, one you, exactly. It was a dizzy ride at the end, getting tired. And we literally just have 40 minutes before the last train will head back. So we'll have a quick look. I think it makes more sense if you really want to spend the day here, you take the train in the morning and then the last one back. We unfortunately took the last train here and the last one back. Look around a little bit, maybe grab something. You hungry?
It's nice? Let's try it.
One me, one you. I like them. Not really? Backwards. That's of course confusing. So, here's the lakeside lake, which makes sense, right? That's the only cool thing in Australia. You sit around and suddenly dinosaurs coming up. Look. We all are sitting, guys. Things are nice. Not to be honest, just for the drive, not so worth it. I mean, it's exciting, but $60 per person? I don't know. Not really. Very dirty, very black. Okay. Oh, there's another one. Okay, thank you. Bye. Bye bye, thank you.
Have a great trip.
We're all confused.
Forgetting which part of the
With these words, we are back in our place, and that was our last trip in Australia, guys. It was wonderful. I will miss it. But we're heading back to Bali. So, thanks for watching. If you don't know, bye bye. Bye.
I want to leave Australia.